everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. At this moment, we will share with you decorative wall focal point design and 10 insane focal point ideas you need in your home. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. In the theater of interior design, every element plays a part. But unlike supporting actors, focal points steal the spotlight, captivating the audience and defining the space's character. Among these scene stealers, none are more versatile and impactful than wall focal points. Imagine entering a room. Your gaze isn't drawn to every wall equally, it seeks a point of visual interest, a magnetic pull that anchors the space. That's a wall focal point, a curated area that commands attention and dictates the room's narrative. It's a deliberate conversation starter, a visual exclamation point that sets the tone and whispers the homeowner's story. Focal points are the conductors of the interior design orchestra. They first create balance. They add visual weight, anchoring furniture arrangements and preventing rooms from feeling empty or monotonous. Second, define the space. They delineate zones within a room, separating functions and adding structure to open floor plans. Third, infuse personality. They showcase personal style, hobbies, and collections, transforming walls from blank canvases into vibrant expressions of self. Fourth, enhance functionality. They can conceal architectural flaws, highlight features like fireplaces or windows, and even direct traffic flow. Crafting a mesmerizing wall focal point isn't a one-size-fits-all endeavor. It's about understanding the space, identifying its needs, and then unleashing your creative arsenal. Here are some tools in your toolbox. Bold accent wall. Bathe a wall in a contrasting hue, making it pop against a neutral backdrop. Think deep green against crisp white, or a fiery orange in a calm living room. Gradient effect. Embrace the ombre trend, transitioning from light to dark or vice versa, creating a dynamic and eye-catching visual. Wallpaper wonderland. Embrace the rich patterns and textures of wallpaper, choosing prints that complement your style and add instant drama. Wood wonder. Add warmth and rustic charm with reclaimed wood panels, creating a natural focal point with depth and character. Dimensional delights. Play with textures like brick, stone, or even fabric panels, adding sculptural interest and tactile appeal. Gallery wall masterpiece. Curate a collection of artwork, photographs, or mirrors, arranging them in a cohesive yet dynamic composition. Statement art. Hang a single oversized piece, whether a bold painting, a striking tapestry, or even a vintage rug, for a commanding presence. Sculptural spotlight. Elevate the space with a three-dimensional artwork, a unique vase, or a captivating mobile, adding depth and intrigue. Mirror on the wall. Place a strategically positioned mirror to reflect light, expand the space, and bounce the eye around the room. Shelving stories. Create a curated display of objects, books, or souvenirs on floating shelves, adding personality and visual interest. The dance around the focal point is equally important. Balance is key. First, fireplace flair. Transform your fireplace into a focal point with decorative mantelpieces, unique tiles, or eye-catching artwork positioned above. Second, lighting harmony. Highlight the focal point with targeted lighting, while maintaining ambient light for overall balance. Third, furniture flow. Arrange furniture to face or complement the focal point, without creating an obstruction. Fourth, accessorize wisely. Keep decorations around the focal point minimal and complementary, avoiding competition for attention. And to complete your inspiration, here these the 10 best wall focal point design ideas that you can try. 1. Bold accent wall with textured finish. 2. Statement wallpaper mural. 3. Gallery wall with unexpected objects. 4. Oversized macrame wall hanging. 5. Reclaimed wood paneling with floating shelves. 6. Sculptural wall sconce with abstract art. 7. Mirror wall reflecting garden view. 8. Curated bookshelf with hidden compartments. 9. Antique fireplace with mosaic tile surround. 10. Living wall terrarium with integrated lighting. Remember, your walls are more than just blank slates. They're canvases waiting to be transformed into captivating focal points, reflecting your personality and crafting a home that speaks volumes. So, unleash your creativity, embrace the spotlight, and make your walls the stars of your interior design show. Share your own wall focal point designs in the comments below. We'd love to see your creative brilliance take center stage. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of decorative wall focal point design ideas for your inspiration. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.